Hi everyone, welcome to the all summer long collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by Brandy of Left Handed Crafter, and each month we have a theme. So this month our theme was like clothing, like shades, flip-flops, swimwear, that kind of thing. And I ended up having to use a few collections or papers. I used this Sunshiny Days to start because it had flip-flops in it. And I used a couple other papers that were, didn't have any, like these kind of things, that didn't have any images on them. And then I ended up having to pull some papers out of here. I think I used this one, this one, this one. I think I used quite a few out of here because I didn't have enough papers in here that would work. And then I had part of one of these sheets from A Perfect Summer, which was a 12 by 12 collection. And this had swimwear hanging on clotheslines, which you'll see in a minute. And then in this collection, there were sticker packs. This one had a big summer, which was the only one I used out of here, so I still have a flamingo and some popsicles. This I only used a couple of sunshine and flip-flops on the cover, and this one I used quite a few. There was a handbag, shades, and a couple different colors of flip-flops, and this one, and a few flowers I did use as well. And then this collection here, this Simple Story Sunshine and Happiness, I think these go with that. Yeah, there were, now I threw some other stuff in here, but these are what they called Snap Pack, which are like Memories and More cards or Project Life. So that goes in there. I'm going to put it upside down, otherwise the paper, I have loose papers in there. So I used a mishmash, and I'm going to actually stick that, yeah, I'm going to stick that in there too. So I don't know what I did. And then the Pebbles one also had this washi. I only ended up so far using just a piece of this. I need some wide washi. I don't know where I had, oh, here, maybe this is it. I don't know. I have another pack here. I'm going to just stick this stuff in here for now, and then I'll show you what I made. I kind of laid out what I wanted to make. I got one thing out of the two done, and it's a flip book. So this is the cover using the swimwear and summer clothing and stuff like that. And here's that one sticker, which I actually glued down. Now, I followed a tutorial by Lyric Lover Crafts from like 4 years ago for this. I think I probably would have done it a little differently, but it is what it is. And I used as a starting point Stampin' Up's large Memories and More cards and envelopes, 3 of each, 3 cards and 3 envelopes, and you'll see how that works. So that's the cover, and here's tiny little flip-flops and one tiny little sunshine. Those are those puffy stickers. And then in here, here's a piece of one of the, I don't know which paper they're all going to come out of, but I had some cut aparts, hello, summer, and a picture of a pool. And then she's got her shades and her hairband. And this was one of the Memories and More type cards in that snap pack. And it had the dots on it, and then I just put 2 flowers on it because her shirt has flowers, right? Summer Hawaiian type shirt. And there's flowers over here. Okay, then the next page, the paper is flip-flops, and we've got sunshine here, and we had a cut apart Life is Better in flip-flops, which has to be from the Pebbles because these are from the Pebbles, and they almost exactly match. They're like orange striped. And this has my summer bucket list, and then these were from the other collection. Actually, these were from another thing, which was this, and this is by, oh, this is also Simple Story Sunshine and Happiness, and it's the flip-flops here, and on the other side, peace, love, and sandy feet. So I just put them in for fun because they were flip-flops too. But there's not really any writing room on those, so summer bucket list. And to show it's a tuck spot. And then these are the envelopes. One envelope is cut into pieces to make the, what do you call them? Hinges. That's the part I'm not real crazy about. But these are some of the 3x4 snap pack cards, and this says summer days, and they fit perfectly on these envelope pieces once I put them in here. See, I need some washi here or something. And this says you can never have too much happy. So I thought there's room for a small picture or writing there, and definitely writing here. And then this has a picture of a camera on it. So those were all 3x4 packs. And then these tags, I used Stampin' Up's brand new, effective May 4th, 2021, tailor-made tags dies. They're standalone tags, and for all but one of them, I used either this one or this one. So these are the large ones, and I did put Pool Party on the back, so they could write on the back if they wanted to. And again, another piece of the paper with the swimwear. I don't think I have it. There we go. And then this is another piece of the paper, and I backed it on. That's on Pool Party. This is on Daffodil Delight. And this is the Pool Party sheer ribbon, which is carrying over, I believe, yes, in the new annual catalog, Stampin' Up. And all the twine I used with either the white or the pink is out of the Snail Mail Twine Combo Pack. Available now. It's in the January to June mini catalog, page 55, item 154579, but after June 30th, that goes away. So they could really write on either side, but I figured they could write here and put a little picture, maybe a little picture on the tag, or put a picture here and write on the tag. And again, I need to put some washi there. And then this has words all over it, including happy summer, be happy, paradise, poolside, fun in the sun, but it's got shades and flip-flops down here. Somewhere on here, I think it says flip-flops right at the bottom next to the shades. And I put cool in the pool, best day ever, and there's a spot to write on that. And you could put a picture here or even on top of the camera. This one is just a teal kind of paper, and I put a strip of the flip-flops there. Fun in the sun, some more sticker flip-flops, just a plain yellow tag to go with the sunshine. And this is Memories and More card also on the other side, and that's sunshiny. And there we go. I should put some string in that twine. This one's just a plain with the beach ball and the flip-flops again. So we got pink and blue. Here we have Let's Chill with the Hawaiian flowers, and I used the other style tag, this one here, and I just left that single-sided and thinner. The other ones I backed because it's easier to get them in and out of these pockets with the backing on. And here, I know flamingos were last month, but I had these two stickers, and I thought they went with the flowers better. So that's Let's Chill. Here's the handbag sticker. Here's the only place I used washi, and I glued it down, and it's still not sticking, which is why I didn't put any on the others. These again are memories, those snap cards. Oh, and well, let me finish this first. And Hot 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 to go with the orange. And then this is just a piece of the paper. This is the smaller of the two tags I did, backed on Pool Party, just because I thought the colors were fun. And this one's also backed on Pool Party, and it's got the sun, sand, summer, and it's got the shades and the flip-flops. It says flip-flops, pool, party, barbecue, all those fun summer words. And then here they can write, and I just put in a couple more. There's this one says Summer Memories, but you could actually put something on the back. And this says hello, and it's got the orange polka dots. And this is really kind of plain and just has the similar colors. So they can do whoever. I don't know where this is going to see. This one here in particular, I got somehow too far over. So I don't like that gap there. But anyway, that's what it is. And then this one's Hello Sunshine and shades. And there is sunshine in my soul. And I just put one of those little flowers and 2 more of the snap cards. Always look on the bright side of life, and a sunshine to go with the sunshine over here, and more flowers there. So that is what I made, and this actually was in the snap cards too. It's a different size though, but I think it came out pretty good. And the back is just this, and actually the leftover strip I used for the binding, and I matched it up pretty good on the back with the waves there. I was gonna put a trim on here. I might just put like stickles or something. I don't know, because I was trying to put this trim over it, but oops. But I ended up not really liking it on there. Plus I didn't want to use hot glue and make it all yucky, so I think I'm just gonna put some gold or something sparkly or just clear shimmery stickles right down that edge there and be done with it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my project. Please be sure to go check everyone else out in the collaboration. It's a fun one. Let me see. You'll have to come back next month and see what our yeah, it was summer clothing. Oh, there was a color green. I didn't really use a lot of that, but there is some green in here and in some of the other papers for the prompt. Shades, hats, shorts, and swimwear. I didn't have any hats, but there are shorts here and swimwear. I guess those are swim trunks actually. So next month is going to be interesting. That's all I'm going to say. So we'll have to see what we come up with. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please go check out Brandy and the other collab participants this month. And I will see you again on the 20th next month. Or well, I'll see you before that for sure. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.